Would you like to learn how to make some super delicious candied bacon made in the air fryer? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. Here are the ingredients that you are going to need, but the exact measurements and ingredients and such will be in the description box below. We're going to make this bacon in the air fryer, so just lay it out in your air fryer basket. I happen to love my air fryer oven. Cook the bacon at 350 for 7 minutes. We don't want to fully cook it yet because we're going to put it back in once we add the glaze. Now to make the glaze, just take some brown sugar, add some honey, add some maple syrup, and some sweet chili sauce. But that's optional, it just gives it that nice little kick. And stir that all up until you get a nice, smooth consistency, something like this. And then we just proceed to brush the candy glaze all over the bacon. And then you want to flip the bacon over and be sure to glaze the other side as well. If you never had candy bacon before, you should really try it. It is so yummy. It goes well on breakfast sandwiches, pizza, deviled eggs. I'll put that recipe above. You're welcome. Once you've gotten the candy glaze put all over the bacon, then pop it back in the air fryer at 370 for 4 minutes. Yes, good. When I tell you this bacon was so good, child, you gotta try it. It can be low-key addictive though. So don't say I didn't warn you. But child, my summer body wasn't summer body in no way. But we'll get there one day. Pray for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And happy early 4th of July. God bless you. Bye.
Help me please, yeah. You got what I need, yeah. Help me split these peas, yeah. You got recipes, and you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.